Hey, what's up, guys? We're out here on the Salt Rock Ranch again, and I got a list of things to get done, so see if we can film some of it. Alright, so first thing on the to-do list today is I got a trailer down at a buddy's house with a flat. And it's an old junk trailer. It's got a house trailer axle underneath it. So we're going to get a tire and some railroad jacks and some impact drills and whatnot. And we're going to see if we can get it fixed. Alright. So I just walked a quarter mile with that big bastard. They may weigh a ton, but they can also pick up a ton. And it's older than me and you put together, and she still works, boys. So she's definitely going to get the job done for us today. Not really sure what size socket these lugs are going to be just yet. We'll just pick all of them. Alrighty, I think we got all the tools we need. We'll fire roll the old pickup here, the old 2013 Chevy Silverado. Wow! Oh, got some 107.5 WBCO Musars. It is hot. It is getting toasty. It was cold this morning. I had to wear the denim on denim. But we're going to strip that. We're going to hit the road. Got the farm dogs running around the truck here. Look out, you mutt! Uh-oh. Okay. Some AC going on here. Oh yeah. A little backstory on this trailer. My dad built it. It's homemade. He's been trying to sell it forever, but it doesn't shit and it doesn't eat, so it's too valuable to get rid of it. Am I a hoarder? No, I'm a collector. That's what my wife says, and that's why I married her. Get out of here on the main road. Well, I've been wanting to do this for a minute. We've gotten a lot of rain, and the ground's been too soft. So just ain't been able to get around to it. Corn's looking good. Oh. No cop, no stop. Oh, I really hope I got everything I need. Might need to go back and get a 2-inch ball. But we'll see what I got in the toolbox to pick up. Oh, of course. Waiting on a train. Big old case. What's this guy doing? That's my buddy right there. going on, man? I'm gonna go down to Chris's and put a tire on that trailer his dad left down there.
Oh. Been doing anything at all?
What's that?
I think you've been doing anything at all? You get another truck?
No, I didn't put fender flares on it.
Oh, okay.
Had a little bit of bubbling on the bed sides, and Dad's was the same way.
Yeah.
He started sanding it down, but it was a lot worse than he thought it was. So I get another.
Same thing?
Yeah. I can get another 10 years now out of this.
How did it go up on that? Quite a ways?
Yeah.
Were you bolted to it?
Yeah. These do. They got different sizes, but Brady, my buddy. Catch you later, man. That's a good old boy right there. That sun is just bright. Oh, well, they even mowed around it. Hold on, baby Jesus. It's gonna get bumpy. We ain't working in the weeds today, boys. But we might be driving through them. Oh, this is sketch. This is sketchy. No flat tires, no flat tires, no flat tires. Oh, good God. Swing 'em on. You got them spinning tires there? Alright, let's assess the situation. Oh, so this is the old trailer here. There's our tire, that's what we're fixing today. Yeah, I'd say she's a little bit low, boys. Oh, you dirty dog. See what we can. this sketchy enough for you yet? We have liftoff. Already on. Okay, just so you can see what I'm working with here. I got two rotors, a 4x6, and my railroad jack. We did get her off the ground. I'll try to get you a better angle of what I got going on here. The assortment of sockets I brought have not seemed to fit, so we might go old school and see if the 4-way works. Power of the gray skull. Talk about some sketchy shiznit right here. camera and giving you all the beauty shot. I reckon valve stem goes out. I'll bring you in so you can kind of see what's going on here. So with these house trailer axles, I got kind of a funny washer with a wedge and a bolt, and they just kind of wedge in between. Sketchy as hell. It's like, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm new to this whole filming myself thing. But I hope you're enjoying the watch, because I am enjoying sharing it with you. Every time I put one of these together, I'm like, yes, I'm going to take that 70 mile an hour down the road. Maybe only 65. I apologize again for the cameramanship. You guys get the idea. Again, look at this mint jack work. Hopefully OSHA don't show up. Don't care if they do. Alright, I'm gonna put you back. You know, I was kind of worried about the spacers having a gap, but the other side hasn't. It's been rolling, so send it. Sure. All the power tools I brought and sockets, and I got it all done with a 4-way and a railroad jack. Alright, so we're all hitched up. Got a grassy field to go through here. Hopefully the tire stays on. I have 35% faith in it. We're only going down the road. I didn't even hook the lights up. Probably because they don't work. But if it ain't right, drive it at night, you know, or whatever they say. I don't know. let's get rolling here. Oh boy, we're gonna need the 4-wheel. Okay. Oh yeah, we're locked in. Come on, Delilah. Oh, you got this. Yeah. Oh boy. Do I just keep going? I don't know what's in this. I have grass over my hood right now. No, we're fine. That tire's on, but that's not the one I changed. I really like that other tire to pop up in my mirror so I can see it. But it appears we just don't have that luxury. What kind of tunages we got? So it'll drown out the sound of the wheel flying off and the trailer bottoming out. Oh, Alan Jackson. Yeah, I went down yonder on the Chattahoochee. Never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. But I learned how to swim and learned who I was. It was a lot about living and a little about love. We can take this out of 4-wheel. What the hell was that? Ozzy Osbourne or something. Uh-oh. Shit. Sorry about that, fellas. Okay. Do I check it before I take it on the road? Since it's rolled. Keyword, it's rolling. Oh, something bit me or what?
Our 80s Ladies Lunch Hour this Friday on Country Legends, WBCO.
Hey there, this is Rachel from Simply Flooring.
I'm gonna go check it.
In Upper Sandusky. Are you in the middle of a home improvement project and need somewhere for your fireplace and flooring? We are here to help with over 40 fireplace units on display, including wood and gas burning for both inside and outside spaces. You also need floor covering? Here we are again with hundreds of styles and colors of carpet, luxury vinyl, engineered wood, and laminate ready for you to complete your vision. We are Simply Flooring and Fireplace in Upper Sandusky.
I'm just gonna send it.
For quality products, installation,
Okay,
and service.
we're not doing ads. No free rides.
Who serve their country, you are not alone.
Ugh. Alright. Maybe I'll give you guys a front shot while we're going down the road. Well, that's a wrap on one of the many things I have to get done today, but I do appreciate you guys tuning in and coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it, so until next time, I hope you all have a blessed day.